Hey, what's up guys? This is Topher with Walser Nissan in Burnsville, and today I'm just going to be going over ProPilot Assist. All right, cool. So how you turn on ProPilot Assist is just going to be like you turn on any little cruise control. It's going to be this little blue icon right here, and to turn it on, you just press that button right there. And how you know it's on is up on the corner of the dash, the top left corner right here. You're going to see a car with 3 little circles around it. So right there, you know that your cruise control, your ProPilot Assist is turned on. So how it works, you can also see you have your following distances set down here. So how this works is this is just going to work like any cruise control. You hit set, and right now I'm set at 48 miles an hour, so it's going to keep me there. And then if right now it is set for 3, the most amount of distance between you and the car in front of you, I like to think about it as 3 car lengths. It's going to be more than an actual car length, but you can do 3, 2, or 1, and you press this little button right down here on the steering wheel, and that's going to set your following distance. It'll always keep you at the distance that you set. So right now, because I have steering assist turned on, steering assist is a feature that you can only use with ProPilot Assist. Right now the vehicle is actually keeping me centered in my lane, and I only have to keep pressure on the steering wheel. So it'll actually keep turning the wheel here for me. So if I take my hands off, you can kind of see the wheel move a little bit. And usually the car will tell me to put some pressure on the wheel after a little bit of time here, but essentially you just have to have some pressure on the wheel, and then the car will keep you centered in your lane. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the brakes here, which that'll automatically turn off the ProPilot Assist, just like that would turn off any cruise control. Get into a red light here. Made it through that red light here, so I'm gonna go up, get to a normal cruising speed here, and then set my speed again. There we go, set at 45 miles per hour right now. And so what's going to happen, I'm going to try to change lanes here. And what I'm going to do is I'm not going to use my blinker, so you can see how ProPilot Assist will correct me. So I'm going to drift outside here. And the car is going to beep at you. And right on the dash here, that green line does change to yellow. The car applied the brakes for me, and it corrected with the wheel to bring me back to the center of my lane and bring me back to the speed that I set. So if you have steering assist turned off, like I just turned it off, and you drift outside your lane here, the car will warn you, but then it's up to you as the driver to bring yourself back into the center of the lane. When steering assist is turned on, the car will bring you back to the center of the lane. Well, thanks for watching our ProPilot Assist tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to give the phone number at the bottom of your screen a call. Otherwise, you can always visit our website at walsernissan.com.